Okay, guys, so this is what I asked you guys to kind of create, is this sort of non-collided aggregation that is expressive of the pieces. So you notice how there's always there's space between all the pieces, and I'm kind of showing all the corners. In no case am I just sort of stacking stuff up. Notice that you can see almost every corner of every cube, right? The majority of them are expressed. Whereas if I had put this on top of this one, or I had pushed it straight into it and not offset it, some of those corner conditions would start to disappear. Is that right? You guys understand that? So what I was mentioning to you that I want you guys to do is I want you guys to take those pictures, so straight down, right? And I'm gonna take mine here. You guys should probably look to take yours, and I'm going to line it up with the grid like that. All right, move that back, and don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home. Don't try this here either. I'm going to step up on top of this. I'm going to twist and shout. All right, so I'm going to kind of get up here. And I'm going to take this straight downward shot. I'm going to kind of get far away from it and zoom in. There we go. Okay, so then I'll take each of the shots, again, getting back, trying to get about level with them. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get all of the different sides in the same fashion that you would do orthographic projection. Almost tripped. So you guys understand what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, and then after that I'm going to do the ones from the 45-degree corners, which is, see, I'm not straight on, right? I'm not orthogonal to it. So I'm going at 45-degree increments.
There you go. Where you were standing there. There you go.
All right, and I'm going to do those from. I'm going to do a selfie with it. No, I was just joking. So, so that's what I want you guys to do with the one that you guys are creating right now. Part of what I want you guys to also be thinking about is we talked about this idea of repetition and how repetition is a key factor in architecture, right? So if you notice that these elements right here, 1, 2, 3, are exactly repetitive, right? This condition right here is exactly repetitive. So this set is the same as that set. And that's one of the key things that we want you to express with this project, is this idea of repetition as being an expression of order in architecture. Remember that that early on we said that symmetry is the easy order that you mastered when you were 5 years old, right? And so everybody always kind of leans towards symmetry as, oh, well, it's ordered, right? But understand that repetition is another form of ordering something. The use of using these long bar-like pieces is another way of ordering and organizing things. And so in my scheme right here, I'm expressing both things that are linear in nature, working with the lines, right? And I'm expressing repetition along the lines. Does that make sense? Okay, so what I'm going to want you guys to do is I'm going to want you guys to do like 3 schemes, and I'm going to talk to you guys about different versions of the schemes that I want you to do. Okay, but right now I want you guys to try and finish up one of these and then do the do the photographs of everything. Okay, and I'll bring you guys back up in just a moment so you guys can see what I'm talking about as far as the next types. All right, go ahead and stop it.